Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BOFX, USDCHF legend, aka God and Chat. Now today I came with another beautiful educative content, which is emotion in Forex trading. What causes emotion in Forex trading? Now this topic is a very important topic to talk about because many traders don't actually talk about it. So emotion is very important in Forex trading as it is under psychological aspect of Forex trading. So and you know what makes a Forex trader to be successful in the market. So today we'll be diving deep about what causes emotion in Forex trading. The number one thing that causes emotion in Forex trading is the revenge trading. Now, what do I mean by revenge trading? Now, revenge trading is the way in which a trader tries to recoup from loss. When a trader is on trade and is already on loss, so the trader tries to get back their losses instantly without cooling down to see a better setup again or to enter the market again. So they try to enter the market instantly whenever they enter into loss. So this is a bad habit for a trader because that moment you won't see a proper setup. That's number one, and you won't be able to analyze the market well enough because you're already putting emotion into your trading. That kind of trader will continue to lose because you didn't take your time to see the market clearly again before you enter into the trade, or whenever a trader happens to be in a consecutive losses. So the best thing is just to chill for the market and wait for a proper setup. This is one of the factors that causes emotion in trades. Now number two is FOMO. What do you mean by FOMO? FOMO means fear of missing out. Now what do you mean by fear of missing out, and how does it happen? Now it happens when a trader is impatient to wait for proper entry or to wait for proper setup in the market, because the mentality is that the market will always leave them behind. One thing beginner traders should know is that the market can never leave anybody behind. You are to wait for the market to come to you, not to chase the market. A trader chasing the market will always lose in the market. That is one thing I want you to know. We don't chase the market, we will let the market come to you. Don't be so impatient in entering a trade. Wait for proper setup, wait for your entry confirmation, wait for your exit confirmation. Don't let emotion enter into your trading. The moment FOMO enter into your trading, you always lose in the market because you won't wait for the proper setup and your entry criteria, you won't wait for your exit criteria, you won't wait for all the checklist you are supposed to look at before you dive into a trade. So avoid FOMO when you are trading the forex market. So that's number two things you have to avoid. Now number three things that cause emotion in trading is over trading. Now what do I mean by over trading? Over trading, like I said in my previous video, over trading is a killer of profitability. Over trading is just now not knowing when to stop trading or not knowing when to enter into a trade or exit a trade. So that is the simple meaning of over trading. Over trading is taking too much trade in a row. Okay, for example, imagine if your trade plan says you should pick 2 or 3 trades in a week. You are now picking about 5 to 6 or 7 trades in a particular week. In that process, you are already over trading. So over trading will not make you profitable in market in the long run, because the moment you are into too much trade, you continue to lose in the forex market. So avoid over trading when you are in the forex market. Trading less make you to be profitable than picking too much trade. Picking too much trade will lead to over trading. The moment you are over trading, your profitability will be low drastically. Another thing you should avoid again is high impulse trading. Now what do I mean by high impulse trading? That kind of thing that trigger you to always enter a trade even when there is no setup. You are always willing to enter a trade, you are always want to be in the market. So that kind of feeling that you feel about you being always being on trade like that, so that is high impulse. So when I was growing as a trader, I deal with a lot of high impulse trading because sometimes when I didn't see a setup, I'll be like, I should be on trade right now. So I'll go against my plan. It takes me a lot of time to be able to deal with the high impulse. So high impulse is one of the things that kill profitability. The moment I enter into that kind of trade, I always lose. So since then, I always try to make sure that I lower my impulse when I'm trading. If a trader is of high impulse, you always lose in the market because not knowing when to enter a trade, not knowing when to wait for a setup, not knowing when to exit a trade, all this kind of thing will always bring about losses in the market. So limit your high impulse. Another thing is indiscipline. Indiscipline again will bring about you being emotional when you are trading. Indiscipline in the sense that what, not following your trade rules, not doing the proper thing you are supposed to do in the market, not following your entry criteria, not following your exit criteria, not applying different conference to trading before you enter into a particular trade. So all these things is in discipline, or taking too much trade, or violating your rules, or not managing your risk properly. All these things are in discipline, and this thing will not make you a consistent trader in the long run. So these 5 things are those factors that make a trader to be emotional while trading. Avoid all these things. So quick recap: revenge trading, number 1. Number 2, FOMO. Number 3, over trading. Number 4, high impulse trading. And number 5, indiscipline. So always avoid these 5 things if you want to control your emotions in trading. If you want to be part of those 10% successful trader, always try to control your emotion, because if you are not able to control your emotions will control you. If you have any question, comment below. If you have any observation, comment below as well. Make sure you click the subscribe button, like and share, and make sure you turn on the notification button. Thank you. God bless.